Hello! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 8 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the Chrome button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the alarm icon, looks like this, like the alarm clock, and tap on it to open the alarm menu. And here we can set up the alarm clocks. We can tap on Add Alarm button, and now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off, and you can do it by rotating the crown, like that, to set the hour, then tap on minutes, set them, and then you can select AM or PM. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. And now we can scroll down, and here we have our alarm. We can customize it even further. To do it, simply tap on it. And here we can change the time again if you want to. You can select on which days it should be repeating, and you have every day, weekdays, weekends, and specific days. So if you select every day, it's gonna go off every day. If you select weekdays, it's gonna go off on weekdays, and if you select weekends, it's gonna go off on every weekend. Okay, you can also scroll down and select specific days if you want to, for example, Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday. Okay, and once you're done, you can go back to the Edit Alarm menu. Next we have Label. Basically, we can add the label to the alarm so you can recognize it. Oh, whatever, we can leave it like that. And below label we have snooze, and we can enable the snooze or disable it. And once you're done, you can go back, and here we have our alarm. You can enable it or disable it. You can add new alarm if you want to by tapping on Add Alarm, like that. You can also remove the alarms by tapping on one, scrolling down, tapping on Delete to remove it. And once you're done, you can press the Crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.